Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tech Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Sony A6400 and giving you my first impressions of this 4K 24.2 megapixel APS-C camera. Before we begin guys, if you liked today's video or if you found it helpful, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So to give you some background, I've been searching for a 4K camera for a while now and was torn between either purchasing the Canon M6 Mark II or the Sony A6400. However, after watching a few videos online, I decided to go for the A6400 and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Excluding the main difference being the price, which is £150 cheaper, the A6400 comes with a 24.2 megapixel camera and lets you take pictures and record in 4K. Recording with the A6400 allows you to capture 4K videos at 25 frames per second and 120 frames in full HD. Yes, the Canon M6 Mark II has a better camera quality at 32 megapixels. However, when recording videos, the A6400 is the better option, especially with its fast and resilient autofocus. As I'll be using the camera for my YouTube videos, the A6400 was a clear winner for me. Inside the box, you get a bunch of paperwork, including a manual on using the A6400. Furthermore, you get a 2-pin and 3-pin power plug based on your country's location, as well as a power adapter and USB cable which you will need to charge the camera. Speaking of charging, you'll also find the NP-FW50 battery to power the camera, and a strap that connects to the A6400 on each side. In addition, you'll also get a viewfinder eyepiece, and finally the A6400 4K camera itself, with the kit lens attached. If you're only purchasing the body, then the kit lens is not included. The weather sealed camera has a strong grip on the right and also has a flip up touchscreen that rotates 180 degrees so that you can see what you're recording if you're in selfie mode. This is perfect for those of you who vlog and want to see what is being recorded. You get a flashlight on top and a viewfinder to capture your content. You also have the standard buttons on top that let you capture and record videos, as well as a reel that lets you select through the different modes available. You have a single SD card slot available which supports up to 128 GB. Finally, you have a bunch of function buttons on the back and a switch on top to turn the camera on or off. Now, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, I am no expert when it comes to cameras. This is literally my first camera I have ever purchased in hopes that I can record content for you guys at greater 4K quality. I'll be using this camera moving forward, and hopefully once I've gotten familiar with it, I'll be able to provide you guys with a full in-depth review. Based on my first impressions and the handful of times I've used this camera, for £940, which is including the kit lens, you get an amazing beginner camera to help you get started. Whether it's vlogging or starting on YouTube, the A6400 is a great choice for 2020 if you're serious about upgrading or in the market for a new camera. If you want to see a video of me using the A6400, you can check out my review of the Nintendo Switch by clicking the link above. If you'd like to purchase the Sony A6400, you can find the link to purchase this device from Amazon in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Let me know what you think of the A6400 in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tech Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.